Today I'm going to cut my lemon balm. Yay! It's getting a little bit too big, so I'm going to cut it. Let's go. I already sprayed some alcohol onto my pruners. So right there, we're going to cut right above these two leaves that are coming out. And we're going to cut this stem up here. I know I need to go a little bit more lower, but I'm scared I'm going to cut these little leaves. So I'm just going to do it right above so I don't cut the little ones. So now we got that. And that's what I'm going to do with all these to make it more round, because it's short on one side and long on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's short on this side and it's growing upwards on the back side. So I'm going to cut the ones on the back side and dry those ones. Oh, I think that's an aphid. I actually did not know what type of bug that was, but it was white and fuzzy, and it kept it white and fuzzy there too. That was weird. I don't understand what kind of bug that was. If you know, please let me know. I left like little white powders, I guess. I don't know, left something white. Guess I'm gonna rinse this, and that's pretty much it. These little ones will start growing more bushy after we're done cutting, trimming, pruning, whatever word you want to use. This is day 3 of me trying to talk. I hear an airplane, but this is day 3 of me trying to learn to speak a bit more by talking about my plants, because this is just fun for me. I learned about it just by working with them, and yeah, this is so pretty. Lemon balm, it smells so nice. What is that, an aphid again? It looks like it's red stripes on it. How odd. Anyways, most of my plants are organic, so all my herbs, I don't spray anything on them. I just come here and I look under the leaves almost every day and brush them out to make the smells go out, and hopefully no bugs go on them. It's been working so far. They don't look like they've been eaten. They all look like they have full leaves, so that's good. Nope. Thank you for watching. Let's see if I have more things to say to learn how to speak. Have a good day.